Okay, trying out something new today. Ohuhu. So they are marker pens. Got lots of color today. This is my first time trying these out, so I hope I do a good job. I see them a lot in anime illustrations, and I just want to try it. Okay, let's go. Just finished my illustration of Giyuu, and now I'm gonna try to use these pens. I've written somewhere my palette. Seemed like I lost it. Right, hold on. Where is the paper? I've written more palettes. Nope, not you. Alright, I'll be back.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's inside this. There you go. Yes, there we go. So we got the swatches. This is 80 colors. I just need some for Giyuu. Okay, Giyuu's colors. Alright. Alright, okay, let's get going. Those are my skins, these are my clothes. Let's go. Alright, so just finished the piece. Just a few lessons learned. Paper, very important when using markers as your art supply. I ended up using more colors than the original plan, but that's okay. It's basically the same shade of blues. Not exactly the same, but different shade of blues. And yeah, just for the water in his skins as well. Just put more darker shades. But yeah, paper is the most important part when doing markers. So if you are using markers as your art medium, just make sure you use the right papers. But all in all, I really liked it. I used to not like markers because they make a sound that hurts my teeth. I don't know if you know what I mean, but when you draw with markers, you usually have this sound that just is terrible to my teeth. But yeah, this one was okay. I guess if it's a different paper, maybe it will make a sound, but I don't know. But yeah, if you enjoy my video and you like it, comment, subscribe, like it again. If you are in social media, other social media, I have an Instagram that you can check out with my other art. Yeah, catch you guys at the next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.